Yeah, this poem's called The Nature of the Sea. A boy making shapes in the sand, castles rising from his imagination, building walls to repel the ocean. Attempts to hold the tide back for a time. A victory in minutes until the water rushes over. The wonder of the ocean as it erodes his structures 25 minutes longer than the day before, watching his castles become no more. He begins to plan another set of castles and walls. Tomorrow he'll put in play what he learnt today. He'll see how long he can keep the ocean out, create more time for his castles to stand. There you go.